Hi, my dear students. I am once again welcoming you to the Principles of Event Management classes. In this class, we are discussing about the qualities of an event manager. Qualities of an event manager. This is the most important question and a 14 marks question. Qualities of the event manager. So, for the successful event management, is a person called as event manager is a very essential person. Without his responsibilities and duties is not able to performing, it is very difficult. A organizational event must be failure. So therefore, we require to appoint well-skilled, expertise and knowledge, and most dedicated, energetic, innovative person for the job of event manager. Therefore, what are the qualities required of an event manager? This is the very important question. ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಯನ್ನ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭವನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳಿರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. The world of event management has changed tremendously over a period of time. Ever changing business world requires event management companies to be more innovative and creative. This requires event managers to process special qualities. The following are the some important qualities of an event manager. See, today the business world or the corporate world so keeps on changing. Innovation and creativity only helps the organization to survive in the market world. So therefore, so what are the qualities? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25 years ಇಂದ ಐಟಿಸಿ ಕಂಪನಿ 25 years ಇಂದ ಐಟಿಸಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಫೋಸಿಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 75 years ಇಂದ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ in each and every events they following the most appropriate suitable methods and most expertise people they are appointing as a staff. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಸೊ expertise knowledgeable person who those who are qualifying the qualifications such as MBA, MCom, BBA and BCom, and those persons must and should has their own creative thoughts, creative ideas, creative opinions. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶೀಲತೆ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ವೇಗು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ವೇಗುನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅವರು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೋಸಿಸ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿನೇ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೀಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್, ವೆರಿ ಡೈನಮಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ most important concept what we are discussing now, the qualities of an event manager. If he has these qualities, the event become more successful, innovative, creative, coordinative. So therefore it become very grand success. In that, what are the qualities? Here we mentioning what are the qualities here. The first one is interpersonal skills. First one is the interpersonal skills. Second one is the flexibility. Third one is the energetic. Fourth one is the innovative and creative. And the next one is focused on details and the time management. This is also one of the quality, time management. After this, passionate. Passionate also one of the quality. And the leadership skills. After that, the organizational skills, and knowledge about technology. Knowledge about technology. These are all what we called as the qualities of an event manager. So those are interpersonal skills, flexibility, energetic, innovative, and creative, focused on details, time management, passionate, leadership skills, organizational skills, knowledge about technology. In that, the first one is interpersonal skills. In that, the first one is interpersonal skills. So, what is meant by interpersonal skills? So, where we have heard this word, interpersonal skills, we heard this word in PRCC, Public Relations and Corporate Communication. What is meant by interpersonal skills? Event manager should have an ability to understand clients' requirement clearly. Event manager must have good communication skills. This enables them to communicate to their team about the requirements of different clients. So what happens here, because of the good communication, because of this well communication, the interpersonal relationship will be developed. Interpersonal relationship will be developed. To improving the interpersonal relationship, what we required the interpersonal skills. So this is the most important point here. Interpersonal skills. Every event manager must and should possess the interpersonal skills. Without interpersonal skills, there will be conflict, there will be misunderstandings, confusions, dilemmas taken place, then become events become the failure. Therefore, what happens here, because of the interpersonal relationships only, we promoting the good event. So this is the first quality of the event manager. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಡಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಡಿಸುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಈ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ವಿಫಲನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. Flexibility. So here, flexibility. What is meant by flexibility? Changing. Flexibility is nothing but changing. What we are going to change. So how the changes is taken place. See what happens here. Here, things can change very rapidly. Requirement of client may change all of a sudden. Event manager should have patience. This is the most important point. Should have patience. Should have patience to think and handle such a sudden changes. Therefore, flexibility is one of the important qualities of an event manager. See, marriage event. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯೂರೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯೂರೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅವನೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತ ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್? ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ interested to change the objective, but they are interested to change the presenting ways. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಉದ್ದೇಶನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ in that situation, how event manager will handling such pressure. So that is the most important here. Stress pressure will be very common phenomena in the event management. Therefore event manager must and should have the patience to accept the changes. And the next one is, next quality is energetic. And next one is the energetic. What is meant by energetic? He must and should have the spirit, energy. Without having the spirit, energy, how he able to communicate his subordinate? The subordinate feeling that our manager is so tired, our manager is so stressed person, confused person. Yes, see what they are doing. Oh, simply our managers are so lazy persons. See what happens. These are all things leads to the events become failure in such a way that managing an event is not a easy task. Every event is extremely demanding. Therefore event manager should be energetic enough to handle events more effectively. So this is the most important point here. Every event is not success, every event is not failure, but it is depending upon the teamwork of the event manager. Teamwork in the event manager as well as their subordinates, as well as each and every, even a lightman, even a decorating person, even a labor, even a watchman, each and every person, they should perform their responsibilities in a systematic manner. So then become the event becomes successful. So when they are performing their event, the event manager must and should has the energy. If they fails to possess the energy, what happens? The subordinates also feeling so tired, so lazy, then become event will be failure. So that purpose, event manager must and should possess the quality of energetic. And the next one is, he's a innovative and creative. Not only energetic, he become the innovative and creative. This is the most important point. Without innovation, without creativity, event manager become absolute. Event manager become absolute. He become a traditional, or he become a common man. If common man, if you have any creative idea, means they are also interested to tell the creative ideas. What about the event manager? How you are presenting your event? So these are the important questions arising by the top level management or the clients, those who are given sponsorship to us to conduct the event. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, innovative and creative is very very important to be a successful manager. Event manager, one needs to do things differently. If you are presenting in a common way, how the audience will be attracted? So this is the question. So each and every audience, each and every dignitaries, honorable persons, if they are attracted, if they are interested to participate in your event, you need to present those event in a innovative and creative manner. This requires innovative and creativity. Therefore event should always think out of the box. If he is creative, problems and challenges are not an issue for him, as he has an innate ability to resolve them creatively. See what they are telling us, if he has creative and if he has innovative, there is no problem at all. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So in that situation, what happens? Because of innovative and creative only, we should solve the problems very easily. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೀಲ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಆ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇನೋವೇಟಿವ್, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 10 rupees ಇದೆ. ಆ 10 rupees ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೊಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಏನ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೋ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್. If Infosys given one such a beautiful product launch event to you, event management team, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು event management team ಗೆ Infosys company, they are given a event like a product launching event. So what happens here? What is the standards of Infosys? So what is the expectations of the Infosys? So who are the dignitaries is coming to those event? They are from the international level. See, all this is very, very essential. Therefore, event manager plays a tremendous role. He must and should have the innovative and creative nature. Without innovative and creative nature, there is a lot of problems in the event. Next one is the focused on details. Focused on details. This is the next quality of the event manager. See what happens here. Event manager must give attention to every minute detail. Many times it is the small things that matter a lot. Every activity should be planned with greater details. Roles and responsibilities, this is the most important point here. Roles and responsibilities of each team member should be communicated well in advance. What is expected of them should also be made clear well in advance. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯನೂ ಸಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲೇ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ focused on details also one of the quality of the event manager. After this, the next one is time management. Time management also is the very, very essential quality of the event manager. Without time management, he is unable to communicate each and every subordinate. Time management. Here, time management, events are expected to be completed within a given time. Therefore, it is essential to manage time more systematically. Start and end should be properly planned. This calls for prioritizing the activities. For completing event on time, event manager should have presence of mind to control the activities if they are not happening according to the schedule. This is the most important point, is schedule. So we are planned based on the schedule only. So what is the starting time of the event, what is the ending time of the event? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು follow each and everything in a proper based on the time, so it is very, very attractive to each and every dignitaries. They feel that, oh, this event management team is very effective. They are planned well in advance, on time. Each and every activities will be performed on time. So therefore, this impression, what I am telling, this impression creates the each and every one's mind. So this organization is very, very effective, and on time activities will be performed by this organization. This is also one of the most important point here. Without a time, so event manager is unable to plan each and every schedules. Therefore, the next one is passionate. The next quality of the event manager is the passionate. See here, a successful event manager should be passionate towards, should be passionate towards his work, then only he can excel in his venture. This quality helps him to be more productive and and, uh, helps to overcoming possible obstacles. Passionate. Passionate is nothing but dedicated towards his work. So he must be dedicated. Why? Because he is not dedicated, well committed. So the event management is become failure. Therefore, he must and should possess this quality also. Then the next one is leadership skills. So leadership skills is very, very essential to each and every event management. Without a leadership skills, is unable to motivate or inspire the subordinates. This is the most important point here. Event manager should have a great leadership qualities. It is because he should get things done through others. Also, he has a responsibility of developing people through work. He should constantly motivate him team to get desired results. He should train his people in the right spirit and right direction. This is the another quality of an event manager. A leadership skills is very, very essential. And the next one is organizational skills. Organizational skills also, it is very, very essential to the event management. In the event managing, so it is very, very essential to organize men and material. Event requires a series of activities performed seamlessly. Therefore, event manager should have a capacity to organize all the activities systematically. The skills can be learned over a period of time. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮೆನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್. And the knowledge about technology, this is the most important quality of the event manager. Without the knowledge of the technology, he is unable to complete the events. Today technology plays a tremendous role. Today technology plays a tremendous role in the success of the event. Event manager should have a knowledge about the emerging technology that can be used for successful completion of a given event. Technology may be very well used for stage management, presentation, audio, video, and everything will be communicated through the technology only. Therefore, each and every technical skills is very, very essential to the event manager. These are all what we call as qualities of a successful event manager. Once again, I am repeating you: interpersonal skills, flexibility, energetic, innovative and creative, focused on details, time management, passionate, leadership skills, organizational skills, knowledge about technology.